जुलाई सीए 2021 परीक्षा के नतीजे कब तक आएंगे? When will the results of CA जुलाई 2021 एग्जाम्स बी डिक्लेयर्ड? ये सवाल न जाने कितने दिनों से कितने सीए स्टूडेंट्स और उनकी फैमिलीज के मन में घूम रहा है। द नेशन वॉन्ट्स टू नो। जनता जवाब चाहती है। Hello friends, I hope you and your families are doing good. In this particular video, I will be sharing my personal opinion regarding the expected dates of results of CA final and intermediate CA exams held in the month of July 21. By this time, you must be aware that ICI has released the date sheet for the upcoming attempt of November 21 exams, which will be held in the month of December 2021. CA Foundation exams will commence from 13th December, intermediate will commence from 6th of December, and final will start from 5th of December. In the same notification, you can see that online filling up of exam forms date is from 16th of September till 30th of September 2021. Therefore, it is implied that the results will be announced before 16th of September. But as we know that the results of CA final level are declared first, and usually after a gap of 15 days, the results of intermediate are declared. Also, usually the results were declared minimum after 2 months from the date of exam, but as ICI has been promising that results will be declared soon, we can expect the results of CA final either on the last week of August or most probably in the first week of September. Similarly, I think that the gap between the CA final results and intermediate results of 15 days will be reduced, and results of IPCC intermediate will be declared either with final in the first week of September or in the next week, that is the second week of September. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos and CA study related videos on CA Final Group 1, FR SFM Audit and Law.